Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful, well-maintained 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 2-story house for sale, located in the central area of Caledonia Road, Mandeville. Ground floor has garage, entrance foyer, living room, dining, kitchen, 1 bedroom, washroom, back patio, and a small sitting room. The first floor has mahogany staircase, 3 bedrooms, including master bedroom and ensuite bathroom with jacuzzi bath, one other bathroom, powder room, patio, balcony, sitting room, and spacious closets. The area of this house is 0.22 acres. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.